beautiful 2020 Jeep Wrangler Covert edition here at Willies at Akins. This is in Sting Gray. It's a very popular color. Looking great. We installed the new KMC XD RG3 wheel, a new wheel, very popular. The RG1 and 2 was a great combo on any Jeep. Here we have Nitto Teraflex G2, 35, 12.5, 17, on 17 by 8.5 wide wheel. This is our Covert package, so you get Westin HTX side steps. We got a Teraflex level kit, so we're not super aggressive, but we still got 35-inch tires up under you, so you've got a good aggressive stance. But offset-wise, we're not too aggressive. We're right at a zero offset, so we're not sticking out too wide. We've got an all-terrain tire, so the ride quality is going to be there, and get good longevity too. You got 55,000 miles on your tread warranty on this tire. Now to run a 35, you need to install a heavy-duty tire carrier for the spare. We got a Smittybilt spare tire carrier in the rear. Just gets it off that tailgate. Looking great. Our Covert package, one of our most popular packages for 2019. We look for it to continue in 2020. This is a great looking Sting Gray Wrangler. Let me know what you guys think about how it turned out.